the house of the Lord. Hallelujah. I want to thank the Lord for this opportunity. I want to say thank you very much for the pastor of the church. My goodness, you look so much from here. Recuerda, Sofia Libro, io lo tutti lo fanno bene anche, ma a Joey, lo che mi viene nei Google, io non so lei la fine libro, e Google, ora qua è anche, così ti vuole mandare. Guardate bene, no? I'm having a hard time, you know. I've been in this country for over 25 years. And I live in Tifton, Georgia. And in Tifton, Georgia, there are only 2 people from Kenya. My husband and myself. Therefore, my husband is a professor in a college. And many times he speaks to me in English until I say, I need to know rather than for English. So I hope you understand. Ndio na experience imena ya kupitia na hivyo no ni yule kila shingo hugata ndani kumekuwa kwa moyo au kwa lugha ya Kiingereza sawa sawa no ndio ile ndio ni moyo tafsiri kwa kwa lakini pia tena mwele tena kwa hoi okay no kana tukachokizi kwa kuja kana hare modo kwa wake mshamani wa in America, either at the Virginia James Madison University where we gather every weekend, 4th of July weekend, and I've been gathering there for almost 10 years now. Kana women's meeting, kana men, kana singles. Anybody? If you're here, please raise your hand because I would like to say thank you. Just pick it up hand. Okay. I want to say thank you very much for your support. God is great. And I also want to say thank you very much for Mr. and Mrs. Whiten because they have housed me. His wife picked me up from the airport on Friday. And I got to go to New Hampshire for the first time since and you got to know how far I have come for you to appreciate that. So my sister, can you stand up? I want to acknowledge you. Thank you. Maybe sit down. I want to give 1 minute to my brother, Mr. Mwita, if you can give him a microphone, because he is the new chairman of the chapter that is going to be launched this afternoon, and that's called Lowell National Chapter. Maybe he can just invite you for himself.
It's such a pleasure and honor to escort my sister and Ningo Kimura, Otogo Moyo, everyone from Kenya Christian Fellowship Association of America. Umude like this is non-church day affiliated. At all the name of Muke, but I will not go to any set denomination. Every third Sunday of the month, our business is just to worship the Lord. Totally non-based, a church-based denomination. You are all welcome. Until we church, you know,
and I will tell you a little bit about KCFA